Controlling mouse with Python. How does one control the mouse cursor in Python, i.e. move it to certain position and click, under Windows?
Try with the PureTogi module. It's multi-platform. And so, it also has other features. This is much easier than going through all the Win32con stuff.
You can use Win32 API or C-Types module to use Win32 APIs for controlling mouse or any GUI. Here is a fun example to control mouse using Win32 API. A click using C-Types.
As of 2022, you can use mouse. Full API documentation. Features. Global event hook on all mice devices. Captures events regardless of focus, listen and sends mouse events. Works with Windows and Linux. Requires sudo, pure Python. No C modules to be compiled. Zero dependencies. Trivial to install and deploy. Just copy the files. Python 2/3 includes high-level API, e.g. record and play. Events automatically captured in separate thread. Doesn't block main program. Tested and documented. Installation. Windows. Pip install mouse. Linux. Sudo pip install mouse.
Another option is to use the cross-platform Autopy package. This package has two different options for moving the mouse. This code snippet will instantly move the cursor to position 200,200. If you instead want the cursor to visibly move across the screen to a given location, you can use the smooth_move command.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.